Say pala mali ko kato.
Coffee pot sings a lonely tune. Breakfast smoke fills the room. Two little cowboys running through, eyes blurry, head